Timber wolf, the forest's apex hunter. The timber wolf, a subspecies of the gray wolf, is a powerful predator native to the forests and tundras of North America. Known for its intelligence, endurance, and pack behavior, it is one of the most iconic forest predators. Timber wolves are carnivores, feeding on deer, elk, moose, and small mammals. Their strong jaws, sharp teeth, and stamina allow them to hunt effectively, often targeting prey much larger than themselves. These animals are highly social, living in structured packs that cooperate during hunts, defend territory, and raise pups. Communication occurs through howls, vocalizations, and body language, ensuring coordination and unity within the pack. Timber wolves are adapted to forested and tundra habitats, with thick fur for cold climates, keen senses for detecting prey, and endurance to travel long distances in search of food. Their strategic hunting and territorial behavior make them apex predators, essential for maintaining ecosystem balance. Despite threats from habitat loss and human activity, timber wolves display remarkable resilience, intelligence, and social complexity. They are capable of covering vast distances, navigating challenging terrain, and surviving harsh winters. Timber wolves are living symbols of strength, intelligence, and teamwork. Observing them hunt, communicate, and travel across forests and tundra reveals the extraordinary strategies animals use to survive and thrive in the wild. From coordinated pack hunts to howling across snowy forests, timber wolves demonstrate that survival depends on endurance, intelligence, and cooperation, a true marvel of nature's design.